We'll guide you through how to compare Railway and Vercel, two popular platforms for deploying applications. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Railway website and log into your account. You'll notice that Railway offers a straightforward UI where you can easily deploy applications with just a few clicks. It provides a cloud-based platform where you can manage your projects with a focus on quick deployments and scalability. After exploring Railway, you should head over to the Vercel website and log in. Vercel is known for its seamless integration with front-end frameworks like Next.js and offers a powerful platform for front-end developers. It emphasizes performance and simplicity, allowing you to deploy directly from your Git repositories with automatic builds and previews. Once you have familiarized yourself with both platforms, you can start comparing their features. Consider the ease of use. Railway is great for full-stack applications and offers a flexible environment with a variety of plugins. Vercel, on the other hand, shines with its special optimization for front-end projects and its ability to handle front-end-focused workloads very efficiently. Think about the pricing models. Railway offers a free tier with some limitations, while Vercel provides a generous free plan but might be more expensive as your usage scales. Also, consider the community and support. Railway has a growing community with active support channels, whereas Vercel is well established with extensive documentation and a large user base. Your choice might depend on your specific project needs, such as whether you prioritize front-end performance or need a more balanced full-stack deployment solution. After evaluating these aspects, you'll have a clearer picture of which platform best suits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.